to be talking about our army. It's one of the best forces in the world, and our country is always guarded 24/7, 365 days in the year on land, sea and air. Yesterday, that is January 15th, is every year celebrated as Army Day, because this is the day when the Britishers handed over the army to us. And yesterday, that is in Pune, Army Day was celebrated with very grand scale. And very important thing that I need to say today is, yesterday when the Army Day celebrated in Pune, our NCC cadets, that is the girls contingent, represented our country. And it was such an honor for all these NCC cadets to be representing our country. Let's cheer for them. That is why we encourage all of you to enroll into NCC. And today's army is not that one we had many years ago. They have manifested themselves in a lot of good ways, and lot of technology is used. You know, children, mules were used. What is a mule now? It's a crossbreed between a donkey and a horse. Now, to scale up the terrain of the Himalayas, mules are the best bet. Even to this day they are used, but now robots in the form of mules are used because of the advanced technology. And Siachen Glacier is one of the highest army base in the world. Nobody has the army base so high up as a Siachen Glacier. And everybody who enrolls into army will have to serve there for a year. And one of our greatest sons of Karnataka, that is General Karyappa, was awarded the Field Marshal. Only two of them have received this honor. One was our greatest son of Karnataka, that is General Karyappa, and Sam Manekshaw. Let us hear it for these two. Today's theme, this year's theme will be Sakshat Sena Samar Bharat. Very profound, which instills a lot of patriotism in us. Let us always salute all the brave hearts who have martyred themselves and also who are guarding our nation every time. Because of them guarding our nation all the time, we as normal citizens can be leading happy, peaceful lives. Here is to our armed people. Yes, army. Let us hear it for them once again. Let us say Jai Hind. I count 1, 2, 3. At a count of 3, we will say loudly. This is the salutation, our humble salutations to our armed forces. All right? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
On Army Day, we honor extraordinary courage, unwavering commitment, and sacrifices of our Army personnel. Their dedication in protecting our nation and upholding our sovereignty is the testament to their bravery. They are the pillars of our strength and resilience. Every year, 15 January is commemorated as Army Day to remember an occasion when General K.M. Karyappa took over the command of the Indian Army from General Sir Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief in 1949. The Indian Army protects our nation from any foreign aggression that arises and ensures our nation's security. Many soldiers from Indian Army have sacrificed their life to protect our nation, including Captain Vikram Batra, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey and Major Rajesh Singh. Soldiers' efforts are behind every peaceful movement, and soldiers' efforts are the reason why nations live peacefully. Thank you.
My name is Anushka Singh, and today I'll be speaking about Army Day. Every year on 15th of January is commemorated as Army Day to remember the occasion when General K.M. Karyappa took over the command of Indian Army from British General Francis Robert Roy Bucker, the last British commander in chief. From the last British commander in chief in 1949 and was given to K.M. Cariappa to become the first Indian commander in chief of independent India. This day is a tribute to all the tireless efforts of Indian Army in providing us security of our country, maintaining peace within its border, and standing as a pillar of strength during emergencies and crisis. This is a day to honor K.M. Cariappa. Thank you, everyone. Our soldiers also helped during emergencies like floods and earthquakes. We should always respect our soldiers